Well, sometimes things turn out differently in life than you thought they would. And I have to say that's true for Operation Walk. It definitely has become an internationally known organization, and it's grown really far beyond what I envisioned when we just started up this Los Angeles chapter. And I can see why. I think that the giving part of Operation Walk is what makes it successful. It's just an experience that everybody wanted when they went into medicine. And it just restores the belief in the romance of medicine to everyone that goes on the trip. And it does it time and again. It isn't just the first trip. Operation Walk wouldn't have succeeded no matter how hard Jerry and Mary Ellen worked, and even my wife Marilyn. The energy for any organization comes from the belief that it's supported by people which have some love for it, that will sacrifice for it. And that's what we've had with Operation Walk. This is truly an organization of giving and support that has come from all of our friends, all of you, and I, from the bottom of my heart, I can't thank you enough.
Well, Operation Walk is a team of surgeons, anesthesiologists, internists, nurses, therapists that travel to countries where patients can't afford this type of surgery and perform it for free. And in the process, they teach the local doctors and nurses. We teach our peers and colleagues how we do things in the United States.
And we have about 50 people, and we get in there, and it's like a well-oiled machine. Everybody understands about teamwork. It's run so smoothly, people can't believe that they can't get their own hospitals at home to run this way.
Operation Walk runs 4 operating rooms non-stop, 10 hours a day for 3 days. Each case needs drugs, bandages, sutures, gloves, and gowns. It all needs to be in place prior to the arrival of the patient.
We take every supply we use over there, down to the last Band-Aid. We've gotten anesthesia supplies, we've gotten IV supplies, we've gotten antibiotic supplies, we've gotten suture supplies, and all those companies have donated them, and all the team donates their time.
We've been doing this for over 20 years now, so now we get some long-term follow-up, and it's really been fun. Some of you have seen the videos in the past of the lady where the house fell on her, and she had to walk with a walker, and we did her knee, and she was dancing and got married. And she came back in just real recently to Nicaragua on the Nicaraguan trip, and she's still a very joyful person because we changed her life.
Well, I saw her again on this last trip, and she was just got on a bus for 3 to 4 hours just to come because she knew we were there to thank us. This is a gift, and they act like we've given them a piece of gold.
Well, Mary Ellen and I have basically had 2 jobs for the last 20 some odd years, our regular job and then our Operation Walk job. And it's a lot of work, but for Dr. Dorr, I haven't minded 1 second of working so hard.